Welcome, my dear 1000 PS TV viewers, to new Italian superbikes and hyper-naked bikes. Aprilia presents us with the new RSV4 and RSV4 factory models, along with the Tuono V4 and Tuono V4 factory. All I can say is these are the most powerful production superbikes in the world and the most powerful Tuono V4 models ever. That's quite a statement, if I may say so. For the RSV4 and factory superbikes, they're equipped with more features. The V4 engine isn't entirely new in these bikes, but anyone familiar with Aprilia knows that when they make upgrades, they go all out. The engines on these superbikes now produce 220 horsepower at 13,100 RPM and deliver 125 Newton meters of torque at 10,800 RPM. Currently the most powerful production superbikes in the world. Let's see if that changes as manufacturers are constantly challenging each other. For the Tuono models, we're now looking at 180 horsepower at 11,800 RPM with 121 Newton meters at 9,600 RPM. So even the Tuonos are getting stronger. I'd say 175 horsepower was definitely not lacking, but okay, for showcasing purposes, 180 horsepower probably sounds better. And there's a lot more going on with updates all around. Design-wise, I can instantly recognize all four models as RSV4 and Tuono V4s, though the winglets are a standout feature inspired by MotoGP. Aprilia mentions that these winglets, developed through wind tunnel testing for MotoGP, also benefit regular riders of these models. Aprilia claims that the RSV4's aerodynamic drag coefficient has been reduced by 6% and the tendency to wheelie at high speeds has been reduced by 8%. I can imagine I wouldn't notice, but faster riders on the track might feel it. The Tuono models also come with their obligatory winglets, which add 2.5 kilograms of downforce at the front at 250 kilometers per hour. These hyper-naked bikes are clearly built for high performance. The fairings on all four models have also been made more aerodynamic. At the rear, new tail lights are integrated into the turn signals. According to Aprilia, this is convenient when taking the bikes to the track, as the license plate holder can easily be removed along with the indicators and tail lights. April has opened a new chapter with electronics as well. I'd say whenever Aprilia updates its high-end V4 models, they add to the tech. For the first time, the Aprilia V4 models now offer in-app purchases, allowing owners to purchase specific features. So, imagine you're a Tuono V4 or RSV4 owner sitting in a cafe and a rain cloud suddenly appears. You think, oh, I really need better traction control right now. Just buy it from your phone. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but Aprilia is talking about in-app purchases for the new V4 models. I have to say, especially for the factory models, which are already well equipped. All four models, the Tuonos and RSV4s, are loaded with premium electronics. The APAC electronics package includes ATC, Aprilia traction control, AWC, Aprilia wheelie control, with adaptive functions that adjust based on the rider's behavior. Mighty electronics indeed. Aprilia Engine Map AEM3 is included with all models along with AEB, Aprilia Engine Brake, adjustable in 3 levels and with a specific algorithm that considers lean angles. Then there's AQS, Aprilia Quick Shifter, which now allows for upshifts with the throttle closed and downshifts with the throttle open. Personally, I find it crucial to have unrestricted shifting, whether the throttle is open or closed. I like to shift up and down however I want. Both RSV4 models also come with Aprilia Mia multimedia connectivity, while it's an optional feature on the Tuono models. These in-app purchases are likely to be more relevant for non-factory models, as the RSV4 and Tuono factory versions come packed with everything, like the Aprilia Track Pack with a race dashboard, ALC, Aprilia Launch Control, APL, Aprilia Pit Limiter, and ASC, Aprilia Slide Control. Slide control is adjustable in 3 levels and included in the Track Pack. The Aprilia Comfort Pack comes standard with the factory models and includes ACC, cruise control and cornering lights that illuminate when you turn into a dark corner. The Aprilia Race Pack also Standard on the factory models includes a GPS module to optimize track performance according to preloaded circuit layouts and the semi-active Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension system. With all these features on the factory models, the regular RSV4 and Tuono V4 models almost seem sparsely equipped, though they still come with fully adjustable Sachs suspension and full power, 180 and 220 horsepower respectively. Notably, the Tuono V4's displacement has also been increased from 1077 to 1099 cubic centimeters, which means a power boost while still meeting Euro 5+ standards. So, the engines are getting cleaner and more powerful across all 4 V4 models. I think it's fantastic. Now, about colors, the standard RSV4 will be available in yellow, a gray with yellow accents and red wheels. I really like it. Gray is okay, but with some bright color accents it looks cool. There's also stingray blue with red details. The RSV4 factory will be offered only in dark Kraken, which is black with red accents. The Tuono V4 models follow a similar scheme with the factory in dark Kraken and the standard V4 Tuono in shark gray. There's also poison yellow, which I assume will be like the RSV4 in dark gray with yellow accents and red wheels, though I haven't seen it yet. To sum up, they're not entirely new, but with more power, more electronics, different colors and updated aesthetics. What more could you want? Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you would like to see or feel is missing. Thanks for watching and listening. I'm a bit out of breath after describing everything Aprilia is offering with these new V4 models. Thanks for watching and listening. Please subscribe to our 1000 PS YouTube channel to get all our videos and updates from EICMA and beyond. There's so much to cover and you'll get everything delivered right to you. I say as always, see you soon and goodbye.